What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you what Kies Motorsports recently sent me. Let's get to it. Oh, this is, yep. All right, guys, so it's been some time since I haven't done a video. Life has been nuts. I started school and then I put school on pause. Yeah, I started my own business. I left my 9 to 5. So I'm doing this full time now. And, you know, I've done some changes in my life to manage my schedule properly so I can actually do more videos for all of you. And I'm getting a lot of DMs on the gram. If you don't follow my Instagram, you can check it out right here below. I've uploaded a ton of videos on my 320i. And I'm still getting messages to this day on people asking me, you know, hey, you have any tips on modifying your, my 320i? Look, guys, my tips, my advice is just the parts that I got. I mean, the 320i was a fun car. Then I got the 440i, that was even fun-er because it's a B58. So I went from an N20 to B58. Now I have a G82, and this thing is an S58. And it's a beautiful car. So all I have to say is I am grateful that I have people like Kies Motorsports that have actually dedicated their time and resources to help me build a tasteful car. So I'm grateful to have Kies Motorsports as my support with my builds. They have helped me through 3 builds, and now they're gonna be helping me with my wife's car. So all of this would have not been possible without proper support, right? And that could mean a lot of things. That could mean just having a gateway to a motorsports company, right? Like Kies Motorsports. Kies Motorsports is a company that specializes in German parts, specifically BMW and now Porsche. And honestly, it's been amazing because without their support, this build, my 440 and my 320 would not have been possible. In fact, my journey to get the M4 would have not been possible without Kies Motorsports. So my first tip is look for supporters. And yeah, we as so-called influencers can be that support for you guys and can steer you the right way based off what we have done, right? Because my 320, my 440, I've done tremendous work with those cars where I can actually offer some solid advice. So if you're looking for that kind of advice where you're like, hey, I'm thinking about tuning the car. Sorry, a motorcycle passed by. I don't know if this got the motorcycle. Did it? Anyways. So if you're planning on tuning or doing like modifications, exterior-wise, interior-wise, definitely I can pull you in the right way, but I will always point you to Kies Motorsports because they have been phenomenal. I got 2 packages here to install on the G82. And guys, I'm just excited. I mean, I took this thing to the track. My 440 was about to go to the track, but after feeling how this thing handles that one time I went to the track, my God, like I need to go again, right? So anyways, let's get to the video. I'm gonna unbox these 2 things that Kies Motorsports sent me. I'm excited for it. It is more exterior parts. So I'm gonna show you guys what's in here and hopefully it gets you excited. Hit up Kies Motorsports, mention that you saw this video, and yeah, hopefully they can help you out and steer you the right way, right? And foster relationships. So we're gonna open this thing up. Pretty big box, and oh my God. Woo! Okay, this thing is beautiful. Check this out, guys. It is the carbon fiber front grille. My God, it even has a Kies Motorsports stamp on it right here. I don't know if you see that, but this thing looks phenomenal. I mean, yeah, this carbon thing is great. There's no cracks. I mean, this thing was built really well. It has little rivets over here so I can install the sensors, right? Yeah, this is great. Has a Kies badge on it. So this is gonna fit really well because my front lip right now is carbon fiber, and this is gonna sit real nice at the front of my car. So I'm pretty excited for that. This is a process, right? Because I have to take off the bumper. So I gotta figure out when I'm gonna install this thing. So I'm excited for it. It's gonna change up the whole look of my front because it is that black matte semi-gloss look that it has right now. But this is gonna really elevate the look of it. So really well built. Kies Motorsports, I believe they manufactured it, right? Comment below. But I mean, gosh, I see their serial numbers or stamps. So they manufacture their own carbon fiber parts, guys. This is well quality. It was shipped properly. You know, there's a lot of stuffing and things to protect it from being delivered. So super excited for this. Yeah, super excited for this, and I can't wait to install it. So this is part number 1 that I got sent over from Kies Motorsports. Brian, Gary, and the guys out there, thanks. All right, let's see what we got here. There's another box from Kies. Okay, so I have to open it. You know, I actually don't know what's inside this box. Look at that. That's cool. Yeah, I know exactly what this is. So this is actually a toolkit to install a fire extinguisher in your car. Yeah, I know I'm using a flathead to open up packages. Don't judge me. Somebody send me a proper knife. If you like some ASMR, there you go. This looks really dope. Again, manufactured by Kies, a carbon fiber plate to install. There it is, the fire extinguisher. This is awesome. So definitely won't be needing this. Hopefully I won't be needing it actually. Right? You don't want to ever use this, but hey, it's good to have. It's something that can really come in handy on a bad time for your car or for whatever car. Or any moment, really. But yeah, I'm excited to install this. So Kies Motorsports, thank you for sending me this. And also, this is what I was looking for, another one. The Kies stickers. Look at that. Heck yeah, I'm excited for this too. Thanks, guys. Let's see what else I have to open. Are you still recording? Okay, so I got this other box from Kies. What do we got here? Okay, let me put these. What the what? Holy hell. Are you serious, guys? Holy crap. This thing looks amazing. Damn, I gotta install this like now. This is the rear diffuser for the G82. Look at this thing. Quality built. Yeah, all the sprockets are nice, and this is gonna look so dope. I am so excited for this thing. Yeah, this thing's gonna be nice. So guys, this is a rear diffuser for the G82. The exhaust gonna fit right here real nicely. So this, my friends, is gonna make my car just really stand out. So, got the rear diffuser, got the front grille to be installed, right? And the fire extinguisher. Right? With obviously some key tags, both sticker and key tags. So I'm excited, guys. Honestly, this is so cool. Kies, Brian, Gary, thank you so much for sending me this. Honestly, again, guys, if you're looking for tips on building your car, make phenomenal relationships with people like Kies Motorsports, motorsports company, partners, relationships. Just cultivate those relationships, because at the end of the day, they can help you out. And I've been ordering parts from Kies Motorsports, oh my gosh, for the past 5 years, and it's been just great. So I'm excited to put this in the car. It is gonna take me some time for sure. Do I have any other parts? I felt like there was more. I guess that's it. Oh, duh. The spoiler. This need to know unboxing. I might have showed you guys in another video, but yeah, this is a spoiler that I have yet to install onto this bad boy. And I think that I haven't done it just because I've been trying to get more 3M tape. I'm just picky like that. It comes with one fat strip, and this is gonna really elevate the car. I don't know if you see it on the picture, but this is what I have right now, and this is gonna just really make it look aggressive. So it's gonna be dope. It's gonna be more carbon. You can never have enough carbon, right? Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I have a ton of carbon parts to install, as you can see, but thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll catch you next week for sure. We'll see you guys.